Hey everyone, Pam, and today is Tip Tuesday. So I'm going to give you a little tip, and my little tip is star designs, elements, anything that you like, that you want to use in a later time, anything like that. Canva will keep them all in one little area. So I love, love, love it. All right, so I'm going to show you a little process of mine. And what I do is I go to templates and it's right underneath projects. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to bring me to another page. And this page is the templates. And so here you have the work kits, which are full of templates. So if you're doing any of those, I would highly recommend clicking on those. And then, of course, we just, here is choices that we have. You can click on all of these and it'll give you more. It gives you inspired by my last design. Yes, I was looking at some summer reading bingo. So, all right. And then it gives us some that we may like. And yes, I starred this one. I have that one starred, and I think I have that one starred. Let's look to see if there's another one. I kind of like this too. It's a wedding day schedule. I don't think I need that, but I do like the format of that. So I'm going to star it. Okay. And then you just work yourself down, just go through. Now, these are not things that you have to make today. Okay. These are just, if you just have a little bit of time, even at night, you have a little bit of time, you're on your phone or something, just star um, inspirational things that you like, that you're like, hey, I could use this. And so we have some more Instagram posts, whiteboard. I start all of those. Some creators, what's new in Canva, that's pretty cool. Start that one. Um, Trending, and then they have some feature collection. Um, Facebook cover upgrade. Oh my gosh, there's some people that need to look at that. Videos, and then it just keeps going. Like there's docs, flyers, album covers, mobile videos, and yeah, I like those. I start a couple of them here. Let me start this one. And then some wallpapers. I love making wallpapers, email signature. So these are just all templates that you can come in, look at, see if they, if you're inspired by them. Maybe, I can't make it today, but I want to make it tomorrow. Okay, so there you go. So whatever you star is going to be on its own page, and I'll show you that. So, how to find that is you click on templates. It will bring you to this page, and underneath creators you follow, it says starred content. So go ahead and click on that. And here's all your star content that you, I have this because I know I want to work on that. I have this because I know I want to work on that. I like this background for me to put things on. Same with this, and same with this one. I have a drop shadow I use. I have a frame shadow. I have some little elements here. I have these mock-ups that I use, which love, love, love. And some other little elements that I want to use. Even here's a weekend goal Instagram thing that I feel like I need to use. Here, I always try to find these, like you can put, items on this. So these are things that when I find, I star them. I do take them out when I don't need them. So all you have to do is just unstar and then unstar. Okay, super simple. All right, guys. Star your what catches your eye. You can star templates. You can star elements, videos, all of that. So utilize that. Okay. Thank you.